Groundworks has been named Top Workplace for the 4th year in a row. 4 years. And what makes this recognition especially meaningful, it's actually based on feedback from the people who work here. At Groundworks, we believe great companies are only built by great people. Because here, employees aren't just part of the company, they're owners. And when people take ownership in what they're building, something powerful happens. People take pride in the work. They hold themselves accountable. And the standards get higher. From the teams from behind the scenes to the crews showing up at the homeowners' driveways, the responsibility is real. 4 years as Top Workplace isn't just an award. It's the bar that we keep pushing higher and higher, year after year.